What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Video number 2, but I wanted to talk about my marketing system here that I've been utilizing, guys. And I really let me just get into why I love this system so much here, guys. You can see this every week, every Friday, every Friday I get paid. You see this, Jerry? That's my name. This is all me. Scrolling. Next page. Scrolling. 17. We in 17. Keep going. 17. 16. This is why I love this program, guys. You see, I'm switching pages, so this ain't Photoshop right here. You know, I put up a lot of screenshots, so I wanted to share some stuff, man. You know, I don't do no Photoshop stuff. I'm a real human being. I show you my surroundings. I show you who I am. I'm not rich. I'm not going to be fronting. You don't see me in no Lamborghini, but you see me in my dope Charger. I love it to death. I have my Jeep that I be pushing right now. I'm in my office that my daughter's kind of kicking in, so eventually I'm going to have to we're working on a new place. But the conversion pros is what's going to take it to the whole next level. This year, guys, I mean, we're going to take the conversion pros to the next level because I believe in this marketing system. I've been in it so long, man. It's proven to pay me out every Friday. I haven't had any issues, anything. So let me just get in first things first here, guys. How much money can you make here? Okay, you bring in 5 people in the conversion pros. That's $125 a month. So now you can kind of think about exactly where would you be okay at with living per month with a monthly income. Okay, so 10 people, $250 per month because you're getting paid $25 per person. Okay, so it's $50 per month for this marketing system. Now, this is not just your average, ordinary marketing system, and I'm going to get deep into that in a second, but I want to go over the meat and potatoes, which is the paper, the moolah, what everybody likes, okay? 20 people, $500 per month. 50 people, $1,250 per month, okay? 75, $1,800. And it goes on up. 100 people, $2,500 a month. So with these type of payments and income payments help you outside of what you're doing. So you got to think about that. Whenever I talk about the conversion pros, a lot of times I build a funnel around it. So I have the main program and then I have the marketing system. So yes, you sign up for the main program. Now you want to have the system that does all the selling and telling for you. So when someone says, hey, Jay, what it is that that you're doing, I want to check out this information from you. Okay, so you just give them your link. A lot of times we prefer that you get a domain, a www.workwithme.com or six-figure empire six-figure expo something. You know what I'm saying? I'm not six-figure empire because that's actually I'm thinking about our other team group name. But guys, something along those lines. Okay, so think about that. All right. But we're gonna show you how to literally do this step by step. Now, when I say this is not just your average marketing system, we actually teach you everything you need to know when it comes to marketing on a basic level all the way up to a higher level. But this also has the tools as well. So not only are you getting training, you're going to get tools as well. Okay, so here's the thing with this here, you're getting a webinar builder where you can go in and build webinars that play every 2 hours, however you want to set it up. You can have a landing page builder where you can create sales funnels around all of your programs. Along with that, you can look different when you're sending out emails. I like to talk about the benefit of this, where you can think about things why I'm talking about it. Okay, so if you have if someone is sending you emails, and let's just say they're sending you directly to YouTube, they're sending you all that competition to whoever's marketing also run that program, which also gives that person a time to sponsor shop. Now, we're going to show you how to build a sales page or an email sales page where you can just switch those videos out from YouTube. So when you send them the email, they're going to your sales page and they're still watching your YouTube video. So you're getting your views, but you're not putting them in hindsight of your competition where now they can pick and choose. Okay, so you don't want to do that. All right, and we're going to teach you how not to do that with this. All right. So we teach you how to build landing pages. You also have an autoresponder. So if you build that relationship with your leads, potential people that you're trying to get your business over to, we're allowing you to do that. So you can set these up with your sales funnel. So when people opt in, they say, hey, I want to check information out. They enter their email and their name and their phone number. Now your autoresponder is going to work for you day in, day out, sending those messages, building those relationships with them so they eventually join. Then you can also send a broadcast message. So if you want to just send out something that you did, or if you're a video blogger or something like that, a vlogger, or you have content that you want to put out, you can just shoot an email out. They do allow you 2 broadcasts per day. They protect their the delivery rate. Okay, so they don't want your emails going to spam. So that's why TCP doesn't allow their system to be used for like solo ad vendors, things like that. Okay. Now we do offer leads where you can purchase leads in the back office as well. So we have leads that are interview leads, and we have leads that are people who are just opted in a form and said they're interested in making money online. Okay, you have the SMS text broadcaster. The SMS text broadcaster allows you to send broadcast text messages out as long as you have the credits in your account, which you can purchase credits, or when the company does pay you out each Friday, you can utilize those credits that you can utilize the funds from your credit wallet to send out. Okay, a QR code builder, invoice tool. So if you want to invoice someone, a blogging platform, a link rotator. So if you are doing solo ads for your team, now you can say, okay, this link is to get 10 clicks. This link here is to get 10 clicks. You can pretty much do a rotator for your team where everyone can get leads into their business. Okay. Tiny URL. The tiny URL is pretty much a URL shortener. If you're looking at a lot of my YouTube videos, I always utilize the TCP URL there. Now, I don't recommend this one for the SMS broadcaster. This one, it wasn't getting across. A lot of my messages were going to a spam platform, and I just had to let my number cool off until I was able to utilize another system. So that's the only thing that doesn't work if you're going to utilize this for text messaging. That system did not, that platform did not deliver, so I can't really say because I don't utilize the text message broadcaster from TCP, because usually when someone opts in, I have the app and I text them right away from the app. Okay, so my other one is just new leads each day, so it just sends me new leads and I broadcast out to those guys to get them over to the other businesses. Okay, so this is my marketing system that I am using. All right, so let's go up here. We have our fast start training. So leads for your business. So we talk about the leads for your business, is about all the different leads that we have. So before you do anything, that's why we break everything down. Okay, what is a sales funnel? Using pre-built pages, building pages, connecting the pages, finding your page URL, setting up the autoresponder, find your leads, how to track your pages, SMX texting. Okay, post your links, domain name, duplicate pages, order leads, guys. This is where you start. That's the fast start training, literally. So you jump right in, boom, okay? You want to pick up your app, we're going to give you the information on how to download your app for Android or for your iPad, iOS, okay? Now we have share codes as well, so for people that are, really don't know how to build pages or anything, then you can check out our pages that we have and build on top of those pages. Now I already have pages that I have built with this system that you guys seen previous here on other systems that I've done. So I do have those, but we also have autoresponder codes automatically done for you. You just go in, switch them out. Pretty much that's it. Switch out some of the information, some of the verbiage with your links. You're good to go. We show you how to copy the page, how to pretty much give your codes for your team, so your team could copy and have the same page for you, so everyone is duplicating. Give you that, all right? This business, man. We take care of you all the way around. You did? All right. So these are some of the landing pages that are built already in that they just kind of made, and they're cool. They're cool little things. So a lot of people right now is in the credit repair business here. So the credit repair business. This is one of the pages that they have done, and you can always go in and switch it out. You can change this out, change your videos.
Do you suffer from the negative effects of
add other videos in, testimonies. You can add pictures in where you can just kind of show proof. So the conversion pros doesn't limit you, okay? That's one thing I want to put out there. They do not limit you from anything. Let me go back. All right, so that was one page. Let's check out another one here. Let's see what this one looks like. Make thousands, fixing people's credit. And you, like I mentioned, guys, if you think this is kind of cheesy, you can change that out. Alright, these are just, templates to go in. You can change the background out, literally everything. The font, all this can be updated. Trust me, I love this system. Let me go back here. So let's go into stocks. So I just want you guys to get an idea of it. And another thing, you can test drive this system for 7 days for free without any credit card, without any obligation up front. Okay, so you can test drive for 7 days, but I'm guaranteeing you're going to want to have this if you are in any business online. Okay, you need tools, guys. If you're going to be online, I want to put this out here. Let's not be tight with our pockets when it comes to making money online. When you see AT&T advertising, guys, they're paying money for that marketing. When you're seeing all these commercials, that's money because people want you to see that business. When you see all these ads pop up, people want you to see their business. So people go to any length and extent to put their business out there in front of you. So don't you be scared to do that for your business, because guess what? Other people are doing it and they're getting the money. So they're getting your money. So stop letting them get your money and you go out here and get it, okay? So don't be scared. Get you a marketing system. All right, I'm done with my rant. Let's move on. All right, so going back up, lifestyles. Boom. Oh, this one kind of sweet. I like this one. I like this one. This is a cool little one. I like this, man. I might, hold on. Let me show you guys something since I like it. I want to copy it. It's copy. Boom. I like that. So if I wanted to do something to it, it allows me to go in and change the settings and do everything. But mine's is copied. I like that one. Okay. But this is what we're talking about, guys. This is what we're talking about. Now it don't even stop there. We're gonna show you how to do all this. All right. So we're gonna show you. This is where we're gonna show you Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube training, Craigslist training, building funnels. Now I want to be honest, guys. This is a lot of basic training that's gonna get you going. Now a lot of the extra stuff that I'm gonna help you out, the Facebook ads, the ManyChat, the SMS, phone leads, stuff like that. I'm gonna provide that for you, but I provide that to my paid guys, okay? Because this is stuff that I've paid for, and and these are people that that I'm close to as well. So they've helped me out. So a lot of the training and stuff like that I have as well. I pay top dollar for this stuff, and I'm helping people out by offering it up as a bonus for joining me, okay, in the Conversion Pros. All right, so that's something that I do. Show you all that training. As I mentioned, we have the system training that shows you how to utilize the system. So guys, I like to give you everything up front so you know how to navigate in the back office when you join the system, or check it out for free, okay? How to link your TCP free to join page. So people always have an issue with that. So they're going to show you how to do it, how to add pics and videos inside your autoresponder messenger. So that's always a cool thing, to add those in your videos inside your autoresponder. Order leads for your business. So we show you how to do that. And let me take you over to the leads so you guys can see this. Okay, so we're going to order leads today. I'm going to go through here and just show you how this will work out, and then we're going to wrap this video on up, and you guys make a buying decision or a decision to take your business to the next level. Alrighty, so you can have leads going to TCP, which it's only going to be for the TCP business, or a permanent list, or your personal contact or campaign. So let's say if we wanted generic leads, we're looking at these are our numbers that we're looking at just for generic leads. Okay, if we go into female only leads, these are our numbers that we're looking at. Okay, 50 leads. These are not clicks. These are leads. You're getting names, numbers, phone, email, everything. Okay. Interview leads are people that have just been interviewed. They're hot. They're ready to go. You need to just jump on them and call them and get them in the business. Male only leads. So for only males that want to talk to males, $49 on down to $1,500. Okay. So guys, the Conversion Pros has always been a hit, as you can see, especially with me. I mean, I've always made some good money in this business, and I want you to do the same, okay? You can test drive this for free, and we just make money giving out free, just free trials, okay? We give you pages here. So here's an actual page that they're giving here with a code, with a sales funnel. Let's go over here really quick here. So landing pages. You have your own pages here. Build TCP affiliates. Let's see here. Get paid. So my websites. So under my websites are some of your other generic websites, pages that you can utilize, replicated websites that's out here that you can definitely use at work and convert. Alright. So I'm going to wrap this video on up, guys. This your boy Jay. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.